How to fix verification code BC problem in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first step is to make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. To do so, go to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. If there is an update, simply get the updated version. And next step is go to Settings, go to Apps, find WhatsApp, then go to its storage section, then tap on Clear Cache, and your problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.